Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon if you're resonating with the readings. Also, if you're not a part of our WhatsApp group, then you can WhatsApp us to 63806 77131 and be a part of our groups where you will be updated with all our workshops, tips, and whatever we keep bringing from time to time. So let's go to the readings today. Let's see what the goddess cards are in store. Truth, the Nande, the next card. I just felt I should pick the next card itself. Grief. Sometimes certain truths does bring in grief in our life, does make us sad that why did this happen to me? Why was I the sufferer, or why on this whole world I had to go through this? But sometimes when you face the truth, or when you face the reality, you come out as a beautiful person, you come out as a successful person. So be ready to hear the truth and be ready to tell your version of truth. If you're going to confront someone, don't allow this to trigger you, don't allow this to upset you, because whatever is coming your way will give you a clarity. Though it will come with the grief, though it will come with the sadness, but it is going to come with the clarity. And when it comes with clarity, you will know that a lot of self love is needed in your life to be happy, and you don't need others to make you happy, and it is normal to be sad. So just say, I am loved and I am blessed, and I'm happy that people love me for what I am, and I'm happy that I love myself for what I am, and I'm happy that the gods and goddesses are giving me the right indication. So I will pull just one more card. See, whatever happens today, you will, I would not say live out loud, you will love yourself, and you will love whatever has happened for good, and you will be happy that things were successful and you were having the faith to handle it. Today wear the color pink, because you will need a loads and loads of self love for you to handle whatever is coming your way. But I'm sure whatever comes your way is going to make you happy. It's going to make you understand that this had to be done for you to be happy. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.